So when we talk about promoting your global e-business, we are talking about what are the online strategies to promote your e-commerce website, products and services. So here we will be talking about what is the recipe for a holistic branding of your products and your company, your brand, the kind of strategies which are required for this borderless world, digital platform is very different from the traditional marketing and traditional branding. So we'll be talking about promotion of your global e-business, and we will be talking about the different strategies to be adopted to promote your e-commerce website, products and services. We will be also talking about how to brand your company, how to brand your business online on digital platforms in this borderless world. So this is a very important chapter because in this chapter we will be discussing about the different approaches which a digital marketer must take in order to promote his or her website or to promote products and services. We'll be talking about the different strategies for social media. So we'll be discussing how to deal with hashtags, how to deal with automated softwares. We'll be talking about how to optimize your website and convert audiences, how to engage audiences, how to deal with the audiences, how to build your reputation, and how to plan your scheduling and your messaging on the digital platforms. So this is a very, very important chapter. So when we talk about e-business promotion, when we talk about online promotion strategies for digital platforms, we have to understand that why an online promotion strategy is important. Without this strategy, you will not be able to get the direction which is required to be successful online on different platforms, because different platforms online has their different rules, they have different user groups, they have different segments of audiences. So it is very, very important to understand what these platforms means to you and to your business and to your brand.